You want to know what I do every day to boost my family's immune systems? Hi, my name's Glenda Britton. I'm a registered holistic nutritionist and specialist in mental health. Michele and I, Michele Welch from Smooth Rock Meditation Project, we're self-isolating, so let's quickly say hi to Michele. Hi, Michele.
Hey, Glenda. Hey, everyone.
We're trying to make sure that everyone in our community has the most up-to-date information about how to stay healthy and strong and resistant through this COVID-19 outbreak. So if you find this information helpful, make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what I do every morning to make sure that my health, my family, stays healthy and strong. And stick around to the end because I'm going to make sure that everyone walks away from this video knowing what nutrients they need to have every day. Now, this may seem overly simplistic, but what I do is I give each member of my family, and there are 6 of us, 6 adults, all isolating together, we each get a small nutrient-dense smoothie every morning, right? Not a big commitment, just a small smoothie. So here we go. We start with 1.5 frozen bananas. Now, everyone thinks of potassium when they think of bananas, but actually they're also a really good source of vitamin B, which helps with your stress levels and energy levels. And then we have about 1.5 cups of frozen berries, great source of vitamin C and vitamin E. Walnuts. Most people don't think of walnuts when we're looking for omega-3 essential fatty acids. They're called essential because we have to get them from the food or supplementation. They even look like brains. So omega-3 fatty acids help to reduce inflammation and improve brain function. And then I like to add some wheatgrass powder. Now this is probably about a tablespoon. And you could also use spirulina or chlorella, but I find wheatgrass is a little bit easier to mask the flavor, and it's a great source of vitamins A, C, and zinc, all really good for immune function. And then, if you saw my other most important food to eat to boost your immune system video, then you know that you need to be looking after your gut microbiome. And this is a great way to hide in some fermented foods. So here is my favorite, the cultured coconut. I put a couple tablespoons in there. And then about 2 cups of filtered water. So there you have it, colorful goodness. Let's just give it a quick whirl in the blender. Now you might be wondering why I didn't put this in. Well, this is hydrolyzed collagen, and it's made from beef bones. And one of the people in our home doesn't eat meat. I always mix up a little bit for her, pour it into a glass, and then I'll mix in the collagen. Why collagen? Well, there's a bunch of reasons. Hydrolyzed collagen is actually helping me to reverse my early signs of arthritis in my fingers. So that's a real bonus. But it also has L-glutamine in it, which is an amino acid that is the major source of fuel for the cells that line your digestive tract. And if you want to stay healthy, you gotta look after your gut, because that is where most of your immune system resides. I'm making a mess. That's okay. So this I'll set aside. You can see it's a different glass. That's how I tell them apart. And then I'll add about 2 tablespoons of the hydrolyzed collagen. Mix that up. So here we go. I pass these around and everybody just starts their day off just giving their cells and a little bit of a boost, a nutrient-dense boost to make sure that they are healthy and strong, especially these days. So important.
As promised, here's a list of immune-boosting nutrients. Vitamin A is a powerful antioxidant with a critical role in enhancing immune function. It's found in bright orange and yellow foods like sweet potato, mango, carrots, and bell peppers, as well as dark leafy greens. Vitamin C research shows that vitamin C from food is effective at preventing respiratory infections. So food sources include strawberries, cauliflower, red pepper, mango, grapefruit. Diets high in vitamin E naturally improve cellular immunity. So foods like nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and plant-based oils like avocado oil or olive oil are all great sources. According to the University Health Network here in Toronto, selenium can help lung tissues to fight oxidative damage and improve immune responses. So foods such as Brazil nuts are extremely high in selenium, so don't go eating Brazil nuts every day. But there's other foods such as sardines, eggs, beef, and tuna are all excellent sources as well. So even a mild to moderate zinc deficiency can impair immune function and increase the risk of respiratory infections. So we can look to foods such as whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, pumpkin seeds, meats and oysters are all a great source of zinc. And like vitamin C, zinc supplements are very popular for immunity. And keep in mind when you're using food as a way to boost immunity, you're actually getting the benefit of many different nutrients within the food that synergistically work together.
So let's check in with Michele and see what she's eating today. Hey Michele. She's eating an apple. Yes, an apple has so many good nutrients in it. It's also really good for gut health. These are new studies that are just coming out about apples. Let's see another idea that Michele might have. Oh yes, a carrot. It's great, vitamin A and C. Thanks so much for joining us today, Michele.
Bye for now.
Bye. Say bye to Michele, everyone.
Toodaloo.
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure that if this is content that you like, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. You can also watch some other videos right here. And let us know in the comments below what foods you like to eat. Are they apples, nuts, berries? Let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Bye for now.